Let's take a look at the chart for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance right here and we have resistance right here. We had a bottom support right here. In my last video, we started trending down. I put in a limit order at this bottom over here at 46,000. We came down, hit the target. Now it looks like we're getting a bounce to the upside. What I'm thinking is, or what I'm hoping is, we could hold support right here and kind of form a W pattern, something like this. We went down, we went up, we went down, and if we could go up one more time and break through this level right here, what I'll be looking at is this W pattern. We could target from the top to the bottom of that this channel or our W, and then we could drag this to the breakout. If we do something like this and then break out, we could be looking at this target up here sitting around 56.1k approximately. So I think in general, I'm hoping that we can hold support right here and continue this uptrend and continue that momentum and even break through it. But what we're going to have to look for, or we're going to have to wait and see, is we have this 9 moving average right here. This one is sitting at around maybe 49,000.2k. We might get some resistance right here, and it might just give us some trouble, but this is the first level that I'm kind of looking at targeting, I guess you could say, and then the next level would be around 51.1k, somewhere around there. So in general, like I was saying, hopefully we can keep this momentum going up in general and break through like that. Though I think if we go to like maybe the 1 hour time frame, maybe we can draw up like a trend line to watch. The 1 hour isn't great. Let's look at the 4 hour. Actually, we have support right here and support right here. We can maybe do a trend line going up like this. This is like the smaller time frame. And then the other thing I'd be kind of looking at to break is this little resistance area right here. This is sitting around 48k. 47.9, 48k approximately. And I think if we could break 48k, then we can start looking at maybe this previous top over here. This one is sitting around 51.1k. So yeah, those are the things that I'm looking at right now. Like I said, we came down, hit my limit order. Now I'm kind of curious how far we're going to go up and if we're going to be able to break through and kind of make a W pattern and then break through and actually start to retest some of these previous resistance areas. I think the other cool thing that I wanted to show you real quick is if we zoom in a little bit, let's kind of zoom in. We have a high right here, and then we have a high right here, and then we have a low right here, we have a low right here, and then we have a low right here. Basically, in my opinion, it looks like this was lower than this one, so we got a higher high going like this, and then we also have higher lows from there to there, and then from here to here is also a higher low. So I think that's a kind of a good sign in my opinion. Let's see if we could hold this support. Is what I'm trying to say. We have some like a little bit of an uptrend going. Let's see if we can hold this support and continue it going up. I think the first sign that we're going to want to look for, like I said, is this top getting broken and completing this W pattern. And then because a W pattern is a reversal pattern, this W pattern makes sense after this downtrend like this. So if we get a reversal, something like that, that's basically what you would want to look for as a reversal anyways, is a bottom right here. And then if we come down and hit that bottom again, basically a double bottom, then we can start looking at breaking this top over here and doing something like that. Same thing when we get to the top. If we see a top and then we come up and have that hit that resistance again, then that's pretty much a double top, and we can do something like this, pretty much in the opposite, and do something like this, target from the top to the bottom, something like that, and then target like that. It kind of looks like a double top right here. This one was a little bit higher, but still you could kind of get the idea. And yes, so we do that in reverse. Basically, we have this bottom right here, target from the top to the bottom, basically a double bottom, you could call it too. Let's see, like I also said though, until we break up or if we break down, I'm assuming that we could be just trading like this, and you know, we could get rejected up here and start trading down and stay in this channel. So we don't know for sure yet, like if we're getting that reversal or not. The main thing I'm hoping for is that we can hold support in this area right here at this orange line at around 46k. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Bitcoin, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here because it's an intro to TradingView and how to follow along with my videos. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.